Hi, I'm Gregg Wallis, Senior Editor with Hotel Business, and I'm joined today by Jared Schlosser, EVP of Hotel Lending and Head of CPACE for Peachtree Group. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
So Peachtree just announced that you've exceeded $1 billion in commercial real estate originations year to date. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What are your thoughts on this accomplishment, especially in what has been a tough year for transactions?
It's been a great year for us. When we look back at the deals that we've done, the borrowers that we've done them with, the projects, really excited about what we've accomplished. And it's been a culmination of years of building not just, a brand, but a really strong team back in Atlanta and across the country that are out chasing these deals and executing when a lot of people are struggling to execute on deals.
And, the Fed has made the much welcome drop in interest rates. There's, some economists are speculating that there might be future drops in for the rest of the year. What do you think this means for transactions for hospitality?
I think it depends where the market goes in terms of those drops. 50 basis point doesn't do much for people. So, over the next several months, you're not going to see acquisitions start flying off the shelf. Mm-hmm. If they get down to the Fed target rate that they're trying to get down to a year from now, maybe velocity starts happening. But our business rate this year has been probably 80% refis and 20% acquisitions, which is very outside the norm for us. I think it really depends on where that Fed target rate gets and really where the 10-year Treasury settles. Because as much as everybody's focused on, the Fed rate, the permanent market is driven off the 5 and 10-year Treasury, and
Sure.
That's continued to rise while the rate cut has happened.
Gotcha. What does the rest of the year look like and beyond for Peachtree?
Well, we've got a lot signed up that we're closing by year end. So we expect, to hopefully finish the year between 1.7, 1.8 billion in terms of total originations. And we expect to have a strong year next year. We've stayed consistent over the last couple years, despite all the market volatility. And we're going to continue to be consistent and try and grow the business as we get to next year and beyond.
Fantastic. Well, Jared, thanks so much for joining us today.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for having me.
Thank you.